Hey everyone, I am Angela Petrilli and I am here to introduce 3 new Fishman AFX Mini pedals designed specifically for acoustic guitar. The acoustic-comp compressor, the echo back delay, and the blue chorus. These mini pedals are EQ'd specifically to help you create rhythms and textures without sacrificing your acoustic sound. Blue Chorus includes 3 different effects to create lush choruses for your acoustic guitar. Echo Back is a simple but feature-rich delay with tap tempo that adds tone and texture to complement your acoustic sound. Acoustic-comp offers you simple, effective compression dialed in specifically for acoustic instruments. You can learn more about the entire family of Fishman's AFX Mini pedals by visiting fishman.com.